This model review is of the Ducati, the 900. It's by Tamiya and is a 1/12 scale model. And it's got some nice box art. Shows you the finished painting scheme there. And that's it without the cowling. And let's have a look inside. We have a red sprue here and our clear plastic sprue. So nicely molded, got some nice details over there. Also very well molded, no mold lines, no flashing. This is typical Tamiya quality. Here we have our chrome painted parts. And normally Tamiya has a very nice chrome finish. Here are our decals, nicely printed. The problem with these ones is going to be when you glue them together, these two pieces and those two pieces, you're going to have an edge that's going to need to be sanded, so that's going to have to be repainted. I actually prefer the other side, but let's have a look over here. Here we have the springs and the tires, which are nicely molded. Some nice tread detail, some screws, and then piping for the brake lines. And have a look at this one here. This one has the frame. It's got a few mold lines there and there. No real flashing, lots and lots of nice detail, very, very well molded. Engine parts, brake parts. Here's our chain. Very nicely molded. And let's have a look at our instructions. So we look at the English ones. So first of all we build the engine. Once that's built, we then build the frame and put the engine on the frame, and then put together the wheels with the brakes. There's the rear wheel with the swing arm and the chain. Putting that onto the main frame, then we get the exhaust and mufflers. And then the front wheel with the front fork. Lights and instruments, fuel tank goes on, additional body parts going on, then the cowling going on, and putting it all together. Here's the painting and decal guide and the required paints. So all in all, very nicely detailed model, very well molded, and it'll be a good kit.